So I got a 2007 Ford F150, and it's been parked for a couple of years. I drove it to where it was parked, and it, drove just fine. It's got 264,000 miles on it, but I was trying to fix it up to sell it. Well, anyway, you turn the key, and nothing. You got all kinds of lights on the dash and everything. Nothing. It just wouldn't start. I'd hear a clicking noise, so I went to the fuse panel over there on the other side, and relays click, and I measured it. I downloaded everything off the internet for, fuses and all of that, and did a long search on the internet. And I plug in the OBD2 module thing, and it doesn't connect. I mean, it powers up and everything, but it doesn't connect. So I've been through all of this wiring, been through the diodes and the little fuse box up here, and nothing. Pardon the tools and everything. But, so then I decided I'll just take the battery out and I'll look around and see if maybe there's some wiring. And I live in the mountains, so there's all kinds of stuff. And look at here, look at this. This is a rat or mouse or squirrel or something has chewed this wire. Look at that, that's crazy. That wire goes over to here. So it's disconnected. So I'm going to replace that wire, and we'll see what happens. Okay, I got the wire spliced in. Back to that, got the battery cover on. I'll put the battery in, and let's see what happens. All right, door is ajar. Let's see, keys in the ignition. Still got all the lights. Oh, listen to that. There it is. There it is. That's what it was. All of that troubleshooting, that's what it was. Yep.